Good morning, children. I'm Mrs. Alkambade. Today we are going to do a new chapter, Anita and the Honeybees, Part 1. That's Anita with the bees. This is a true story of Anita. Anita Kushwaha is a girl star, and Girl Star is a project which tells extraordinary stories of ordinary girls who have changed their lives by going to school. Like government tried to encourage the girls to go and take education. For that they have started this mission as Girl Star. So Anita Kushwaha is also one of the Girl Star. When she was young, she used to spend all her times with goats, and she always wanted to go to school, but her parents never liked the idea of her going to school. One day her teacher convinced her parents, and she could continue her studies till 5th class. Then for further education she had no money, so she continued with her tuitions. And she also encouraged the other parents of the village to send their daughters to school. So it was like a social work she was doing. Then for further education she had to pay fees. She didn't have money, so for that she joined the beekeeping course run by the government. The government generally goes for small scale industries, and for that they keep courses like tailoring, carpentry, weaving. So it helps the village people to start some business on their own, and also for the Adivasis, so they can also earn their living. So same way she also attended that course of beekeeping. With her saving of rupees 5,000, she started her beekeeping business. Anita now wants to become a wholesaler so that she can help the villagers to get right price for honey, and her village people are very proud of her. So she did this beekeeping business. Now you can see here it's a map of India, and there are different states of different colors, and you can see the state's name and capital also. Like Maharashtra, Mumbai is the capital, and Rajasthan, Jaipur is the capital. Gujarat, Gandhinagar is the capital. So here you can see the arrow, red arrow marked towards the Bihar state, and that Bihar state is where this Bocha village is. These are the districts, different districts. Like Pune is a district of Maharashtra, same way these are the different districts of Bihar. So out of this Bocha district, can you see this Bocha village is in this district of Bihar. So there are different types of honey bees: queen bees, male bees, worker bees. Now every beehive has 3 types of bees. The biggest one is the queen bee, and it is only one bee is there in one beehive. Worker bees are in thousands, and drone bees which guard and which stay with the queen bee, and the worker bees take care of the eggs also, and they bring the honey, they suck the nectar and collect honey also in the beehive. You can see the different parts of the bee. The compound eyes, it's on the top of the head. You can see in all directions. The antenna, like we have TV antenna, the insects also have an antenna. We call as feelers. They can study the temperature, then weather conditions, and if something moving about nearby, sensation, everything is done by the antennas. Then head, thorax and abdomen is there. Wings, can you see the wings here? And then last point is here, they even have the stinging one, and they have the 6 feet too. So here you can see the types of bees: queen, worker and male bees. The first one is the of honeybees, and the last one is the bumblebees. So all they also live in the colonies. and same functions like queen bee lays eggs and worker bee takes care of the larva and constructs the nest for the eggs, and they also collect the honey. So here now how the workers bee go to collect the flowers and collect from them the nectar, and they come back and deposit the nectar in the beehive or the bars of the boxes, that is where the harvesting bees are there. So it is a continuous process. They keep doing this day and night, and they cover the collected honey with a wax coating also. And after 3-4 months the honey cakes are ready and they are taken out and squeezed by the harvester. Harvester is one who is growing the bees and collecting the honey also and wax also. So the honey is filtered, filled in the bottles and sold in the market. Even the wax are also sold in the market. So this is the way the honey bees. The nutritive value of honey: it is rich in iron and minerals needed for our body to reduce weight. It is used in preparation of many medicines and tonics. It is also used in many rituals and puja by Indians. We have variety of honeys, because if we are taking from honey from the rose, then it will become a rose honey. It is from the lychee plant, lychee flowers, the nectar is taken, then it becomes a lychee honey. If it is from the jamun flowers, then it becomes a jamun honey. That's why we have variety of colors in the honeys also. So find out about the different colors of honey and also find out the cost of 1 kg of honey. So this is the end of the part 1. We'll meet in the next part 2. So goodbye.